Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload your resume in Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. This will take you to your main Glassdoor dashboard where you can manage all your job search activities and profile information. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on your name to access your full profile settings. This is where you'll be able to manage your personal information, resumes, and other important career details. Once you're on your profile page, look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several menu options listed there for different sections of your profile. Click on Resume and Experience from this sidebar. This section is specifically designed to help you manage your professional documents and work history, making it easier for potential employers to learn about your background. Now you'll see the option to upload resume. Click on this button to begin the upload process. This feature allows you to add your resume directly to your Glassdoor profile, which can significantly improve your chances of being discovered by recruiters who are actively searching for candidates with your qualifications. A file browser window will now appear on your screen. Browse through your computer files to locate the resume you want to upload. Once you've found the correct file, click on it to select it, then click Open. This will initiate the upload process and send your resume to Glassdoor's servers. You'll need to wait for a few seconds while the system processes and uploads your resume. The upload time may vary depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed. During this time, Glassdoor is scanning your document and preparing it to be displayed on your profile. After the upload completes, the system will show you a preview of how your resume looks. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything appears correctly. If you're satisfied with how it looks, click the Looks Good button to confirm and finalize the upload. Your resume is now successfully added to your Glassdoor profile and visible to potential employers. And that's it. You've uploaded your resume to Glassdoor, making it easier for recruiters to find you and consider you for job opportunities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.